रेपोरेट अपरिवर्तित रखी आरबीआई रेपोरेट 4% और रिभर्स रेपोरेट 3.35% आरबीआई अपरिवर्तित रखी। आरबीआई गवर्नर शक्तिकांत दास प्रेसमिट कर सीधा सत नहीं जाऊँ
firmly. Let me now announce some additional measures. Against this backdrop, and with a view to nurture the recovery, certain additional measures are being announced. The details of the measures are set out in the Statement on Developmental and Regulatory Policies, which is the Part B of the Monetary Policy Statement. As you would have noticed over the last 1 year or so, the announcements made under Part B of the MPC statement, which are outside the remit of the Monetary Policy Committee, have had significant role in enabling us as an economy to deal with the challenges emerging from the pandemic. We have also been able to undertake certain major reform measures and certain major policy. We have also announced certain policy decisions which have facilitated the creation of a better ecosystem for our economy to function, not only in the context of the pandemic, but even otherwise. The announcements are as follows. The first announcement relates to TLTRO on-tap scheme extension of deadline. With a view to increasing the focus of liquidity measures on revival of activity in specific sectors, the TLTRO on-tap scheme announced on October 9, 2020, which was made available up to March 31st, 2021, is now being further extended by a period of 6 months, that is up to September 30, 2021. Next announcement relates to liquidity facility for all India financial institutions. Special refinance facilities of rupees 75,000 crore were provided to all India financial institutions like NABARD, SIDBI, NHB and Exim Bank during April to August 2020. To nurture the still nascent growth impulses, it is